Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be talking about what's happening currently in the crypto markets. We're going to be talking about what's happening with the MSCI indexes. We're going to be talking about JP Morgan, and we're going to be talking about are we in a crypto winter or a crypto summer? From the desk of Kingsley Advani. So let's start with the markets. We had an all-time high for Bitcoin touching 126K on the 6th of October. And since then, we've had a pullback. We had a cascade liquidation on the 10th of October, and there has been about $1 trillion wiped off of the crypto market. There's a few reasons for this. There's some macro factors like interest rate. We've had tariffs. We've had the longest US government shutdown on record. And we've also had some short selling in crypto, a large short of Athena on Binance Exchange, which caused a lot of liquidation of leverage. And we've also had a lot of larger whales or older crypto whales selling their position. So in the short term, we have had a big pullback, but Bitcoin is still at about 90K. And long run, I still think 150, 200K per Bitcoin is in play, and even longer term, $1 million per Bitcoin. So let's look at the MSCI indices. We had MSCI, who is one of the leading providers of equity indexes, and they recently announced a proposed plan to exclude some DATs from their indices, and this includes MSTR. Some of their reasoning is that DATs that exceed 50% digital assets of their total assets could be considered investment funds rather than operational companies. So they're looking at excluding these. I think that this is a slight risk to the industry, although on average, I think it's more likely that these proposals will be cancelled. Let's see. If they do go into play, it will be quite bearish for a lot of DATs. It will create a lot of forced liquidations. A lot of institutions that hold these stats in their portfolios will be forced to liquidate because a lot of them have a mandate to invest on specific indices. JP Morgan also put out a quite bearish report on this as well, which has been quite bearish for the industry in the short term as well. But medium to long term, I do think Bitcoin will be recovering, and you should be prepared for multiple scenarios though. The bullish case that Bitcoin keeps going up, the sideways case that we go sideways for a while, and also the bearish case that we go lower. So definitely be prepared for all scenarios, and make sure you're positioned well, that you have long-term bets, and that you're not investing money that you can lose.